You asked, how to divide 4102 by 3 using the long division method. 4 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Bring down 1, making 11. 11 divided by 3 equals 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. 11 minus 9 equals 2. Bring down 0, making 20. 20 divided by 3 equals 6. 6 times 3 equals 18. 20 minus 18 equals 2. Bring down 2, making 22. 22 divided by 3 equals 7. 7 times 3 equals 21. 22 minus 21 equals 1. The remainder is 1. The final result is 1367 remainder 1.